Hey guys, it's Kenny Grower. Check this out. We got something new for you guys to check out. A little unboxing. Something Mars Hydro sent over to us. Let's get this out of the box and we'll check it out. Alright, here we are, guys. This is pretty exciting. Let's see if I can get this out of here. Pretty difficult to do with one hand. Let's see. Alright, let me go ahead and get this the rest of the way out. Alright guys, here we are. Let's get rid of this. Get rid of that foam for a minute. Alright, yeah, looks like we got the little Mars Hydro LED garden. If you guys check this out. It's our manual. Looks like insert the retractable pole. Alright, let's go. Looks like we got a couple little connections on there. Fits right down in there. Alright, yeah, she just slides right in there. Alright, let's see. What else we got here? Looks like we got the top cover. Look like we got them little sponge combs to start in. Ooh, here we go. Let's see what we got. Let's get this thing together. Alright guys, here's the LED part. Looks like pretty decent, you know. Pretty cool stuff. Looks like she just pop on there just like that. What else we got in here? Let's slide this back and take a look. So we got our top little caps. We have a little thing of plant food. Plant food A, plant food B. Okay, it looks like that's just the bottles for those, and here's the actual feed. It's kind of nice that it came with the feed and everything. And we got our little power brick, so let me get this set up for you guys and we'll get this going. Alright guys, we decided to go ahead and move it into the kitchen. So let's check out these features. We got a power button, time button, vegetables, flowers, and fruits. I'm taking those. Alright, let's see. Let's get some water in this thing so we can get that pump going. Alright guys, we got her filled up to about 3.5 liters. We just got some top bit in there for testing. There we go. Oh yeah. This should be nice, guys. I don't know what I'm gonna grow in this thing. Probably some herbs, maybe cherry tomatoes. You know, I think I'm gonna try cherry tomatoes. This thing is pretty bright. Looks like we can change spectrum. We can turn the blues off and on. So that's pretty nice. And it looks like we got a little timer. We got an 8, 12, 16, or 4-hour cycles. Let's do 16. Yeah, guys, this thing is pretty neat. Yeah, guys, check it out, Mars Hydro. I'm pretty excited for this thing. You know, you can run clones in here as well. Let me know what you guys think, if any of you guys are running this, or if you guys are thinking about it. Let me know. Stay tuned for more, guys. Bye.